21st birthday, Kuya Aaron!
Happy 21st birthday, Kuya Aaron. Always be a good man and see you.
See you soon.
Happy birthday, Aaron. I wish you more success in your life and always be a good man and
Focus in your military career.
focus in your life in military. And that's all. Gabi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aaron. Mag-aral ka mabuti sa sundalo.
Happy birthday, Aaron. You're no longer my balong. You're adult ka na, anak. Be responsible. Love your mommy and daddy. And especially mama. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aaron. Aral ka na mabuti. Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aaron. Parang kailan lang. Ngayon, 21 ka na. Wishing you more success and happiness in life.
Many
More birthdays to come. Andito lang kaming family mo para sa'yo. We love you and see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy
Love you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Aaron! We wish you more birthdays and good health. Ingat palagi. We love you.
Happy 21st birthday, Aaron. We are so proud of you and we can't wait to see what the future holds for you. We wish you more birthdays to come, and from Tito Eric, Tita Jo, and Ate Pat, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Aaron! Ingat palagi at saka more birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aaron. Naway maging maganda at matagumpay ang iyong bawat hakbang sa iyong pangarap at kami napakapalad na naging parte ng iyong buhay. At kami masaya at excited pa na makita ang iyong magagandang pangyayari sa iyong buhay. Muli, happy birthday! Ako naman, happy birthday, Aaron. Ang wish ko lang ay sana mapalakas ang iyong katawan at ang iyong mga makikinis na buhok at mga balat, ha? Happy birthday!
Ako naman, happy birthday, Aaron. Maligayang kakaman sa'yo. Ngayon sa pagbibinata mo, sana lalo ko pang gumapo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Aaron! You're finally turning 21 and you've achieved so many great things at 21. Keep doing what you're doing and we're always proud of you. I hope you have a great 21st birthday and enjoy your life to the fullest. We miss you.
We love you, Aaron.
Hello, Aaron! Hi, Aaron! Hi, Aaron! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Be always a good boy, okay? Be a humble boy. Wish you all the best. Always listen to your mommy and daddy. Love you always. You love you. They will always support you financially. Kaya mag-aral ka mabuti. Bye.
Hi, Kuya Aaron. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day and more birthdays to come, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Skibidi Aaron! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday po, Skibidi Kuya Aaron. May all your wishes come true.
Happy birthday, Aaron. Ako'y si Nanay Loreng. Sana magpakabait ka, anak ko.
Hey Aaron, happy 21st birthday. So, bilis ng panahon, no? Binata ka na ngayon. So, basta keep safe and be a good boy always. Okay? So, once again, happy birthday, boy.
Hey bro, listen, it's been a while, but I just want to tell you a happy birthday, and sorry if I can't be there right now, but yeah, I hope you enjoy this special day with the people you love the most. That's it from me. Peace.
Tito Aaron, sing. Lines.
Okay.
Vocals. Again. Again. Sing again. Sing again. Happy birthday. Tito Aaron.
Happy birthday, Balong. 21 years old ka na, binata na. Ingat lagi. Wish you good health. Laging malakas, malayo sa sakit. Kunin ko sana, wish ko sana sa'yo, more girlfriend. Kaya lang, may girlfriend ka na eh. So, ingat ka lagi. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aaron!
Happy birthday, Aaron! Ingat ka palagi!
See you soon!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Kuya Aaron! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Aaron!
Happy birthday, Aaron!
Hello, Aaron! Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Hello!
Hello, Aaron!
Happy birthday! Oh, tignan mo itong hikaw na regalo ko sa rinigalo mo sa akin, anak kong suot ko na. Oh, thank you, Aaron. Happy birthday, anak ko.
Enjoy your birthday, anak!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y malasing mo kami.
More birthdays to come, anak!
Happy birthday, Aaron! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Aaron. More birthdays to come.
Hey!
Hello, Aaron. Happy birthday. Hi, Aaron. Happy birthday. I can't believe how the time flies so fast. You're a grown-up man now. I still remember the first day when I saw you, and those time I played with you when you were still little. Tito Erison will always loves you, Aaron. Again, happy birthday. I wish you nothing but the best. I miss you and I hope to see you soon. Love you.